This spacious, custom-built home of more than 7,000 square feet blends elegant architecture with inviting, livable spaces. Situated on more than an acre, it's located in the gated Ashley Heights community of Felida, a private enclave near miles of trails and parks where it's easy to explore the outdoors. Through the secure gate, you'll discover a well-established neighborhood known for its luxury homes in a private setting. Head inside to the grand entry leading to gracious, light-filled rooms for entertaining. The family room centers around a cozy fireplace with large windows framing views of the peaceful park-like backyard. The open kitchen features a gas cooktop, island with seating, stainless appliances, tranquil views, and a pantry. You can easily take gatherings outside to the wraparound deck. A main floor office with custom built-ins offers both style and function. Enjoy the convenience of a Miele washer and dryer, plus a mudroom with a dog washing station. Upstairs, the primary suite is a luxurious retreat, complete with its own fireplace, spa-inspired bath with dual vanities, a steam shower, jetted tub, heated tile floors, and a walk-in closet. The floor plan offers flexibility with 3 additional bedrooms, including 2 with ensuite baths, and a large bonus room that could serve as a 5th bedroom. The lower level is made for entertaining, featuring an expansive kitchenette, large game room, Murphy bed, and it's ready for making memories with a home theater complete with built-in seating. You'll also find extra flexible space for a gym, hobbies, or storage. The private backyard with multiple patios backs to green space, all framed by mature trees, providing a serene escape from the stress of the day. The oversized 3-car garage offers ample room for projects and storage. A perfect balance of elegance, comfort, and connection to nature. It's all here in Ashley Heights, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.